Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Boost. And yeah, we are here early in the morning at home, ready to go out to Builder's Warehouse to grab some things. And then we're going to head to Des because today I'm going to be showing you guys the new channel car. There's been a lot of changes. Some cars left the channel. This car joined the channel. And yeah, we're going to be doing the manual swap from today. So this is a reveal and part one of the new build. So I was about to say it. And yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe as well, because this is going to be so sick. We may be driving this car and probably will be at the next Driftmasters event as well. So yeah, stay tuned the next couple of weeks, months, and forever. It's going to be super sick. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'll see you guys super soon. Yo everybody, so as you saw from the cinematics and the intro to where we are, this is my EF Falcon XR6, but this one's really special. We're gonna go into what it is. Obviously it is just a normal Falcon, but it has been engine swapped. It has a different gearbox, and that's why we're doing a manual swap, because it's got an auto box, which is terrible and I don't like it, and it can't drift.
And that's why we are going to be taking my 1995 Ford Falcon XR6 that is engine swapped with this massive 4.3 litre Lexus 3UZ V8, and we're going to be manual swapping it. This is a BMW E46 320D 5-speed ZF, which I got for an absolute steal.
So yeah, we're gonna fix that here today. So we've just been giving Des a shop a nice clean so that you guys can really get in depth with me and with Des on this manual swap and what we're gonna do and what this car is. And yeah, I'm super excited to rip it and show you guys everything. Thank you for tuning in, and on to the next part of this video. Thanks everyone. Alright, so as you have seen, we got the box out, and yeah, so now we just took the bell housing out. I'm going to wash the bell housing, and then we are going to be doing a cut and join to this bell housing and the BMW box. And then yeah, we're going to make some progress today. It's super sick, bit of a surprise as well to the way the car sounds. We're going to be doing something about that as well, but stay tuned. It's super sick. It's a chill day and we are definitely making some progress, so you should see us sliding soon. Stay tuned. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Woo! Let's go. It's not automatic. Last drive before we swap in the manual gearbox, and this thing becomes a slide machine. Right now it's a cruising machine. Love this thing. 3UZ power. I dig it, to be honest. I really do. So as I was saying, if you're not going to daily this baddie, you can just put your foot down and be a V8 master.